Hello internet world, and welcome to my review of the Rockjaw Audio T5 Ultra Connect Bluetooth 5 earphones. These are absolutely superb. They're really well suited for if you're going to wear them whilst you're out running, for example. They're IPX4 sweatproof and they've got a nice long 11-hour battery life. But so much more than that. Let me just open up this package. I've already removed the earphones for testing, but I want to show you that inside here you've got lots of extra compartments. Now, they're not just different size silicone ear tips. There's also some different filters in here, and they give different sort of frequency responses. I'm going to just give you the description that Rockjaw Audio mentioned here. So there's a silver tuning filter which increases bass response, a black tuning filter which increases treble response, or a gold tuning filter, which is the ones I've been using during my testing mainly, which give a more natural sound. And I found that with the gold filters in, the natural sound is really suited to the spoken voice. If you watch my videos regularly, you'll know my main use for earphones is listening to podcasts and things like audiobooks as well. But I also listened to some audio and switched out the filters for the higher bass frequency, and it sounds absolutely superb. It really does work. So let me show you the earphones up a little bit closer. We have got this portion here, which I believe contains the battery, gives you that longer battery life. We've also got this sort of inline remote control, and this is where the charging portion is. So we've got the USB-C port underneath this little rubber cover, and then we've got some volume up and down, and also a little microphone as well. The actual earphones themselves, the enclosures are a metal construction, and then I've got these CompliFoam tips on at the moment, and they do sound absolutely superb. Very, very high amount of detail delivered by these little tiny earphones, and super comfy to wear. The wire goes behind the neck and the earbuds go into your ears. They're very good fit as well. They fit nice and snugly. They block out a nice amount of external noise, certainly if you get the fitting right, and these Compli ones seem to work very well for my ears. And the volume they deliver and the detail is exemplary. Very, very good indeed. Now, I mentioned about those tuning filters. I think it is important you experiment with those. I wouldn't be switching them out all the time, and I found that overall I stuck with the neutral response filters due to my style of audio listening. If you really listen to a lot of music and you like a lot of bass, then you might opt for a different filter than that neutral response one. But I think Rockjaw Audio have done a fantastic job on these. They do also have some fantastic offers from time to time, so I urge you to check out those links down in the video description area. Those links will take you to the best price you can get on these at the moment, so please do check out those links. Not only do they look fantastic, but they sound absolutely fantastic, and I can highly recommend them. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another one very, very soon.